Okay, I got this calm on this Bugatti. I'm strong in this Bugatti. 2 V8s ain't no such thing as driving calm in this Bugatti. Bitch, I'm bad, I'm worse, I pass. The perp don't fuck with me, cause right now I'm higher than Cap. Then Kirk, I swear I be the sickest nigga you can ask. The nurse, and if you throw it in a bag, I bet I snatch her purse. Okay, I spaz, I curse, you last. I'm first, I'm on your ass, like dirt behind that cash. Get murk, I'm talking big shit, nigga, join my hit list. Nigga, what's the matter? Check your bladder, I'm the shit. Piss, nigga, shoot the witness. Nigga, hold court in the streets and convict this nigga. Old dickless nigga, man, I'm running with the blocker. Young money motherfucker, you think we gon' do a thing where ain't it sunny in the summer and we coming for the comers? Then whoever among us, and you know I'ma bust my ass until my crew very humongous. I say T.I. hold your head, and Mac hold your head. Wish I could, but I can't say some other names cause of the feds until my blood's cold red. Man, you know how we play it, and if it costs to be the boss, oh well, I guess I gotta pay. I'm a New Orleans nigga, I don't take no shit. Take the brain off the whip, now it don't make no sense. Stunt hard on these bitches, I ain't promised tomorrow. Now women kicking it with me like no more Garcia Parra. You roll them killer plants, the little shop of horror. And we roll them bitches thick, make them look like Takara. Man, I'm too much for these niggas and 3 much for these hoes. The world is in my hands and I keep my hands closed. I love my baby mamas, they get my highest honor. Gotta take care of them kids, man, I know you heard Obama. If I live on an island and land it in my backyard, I just tell my pilot to land it in my backyard. Quarterback shotgun, you don't get any sack yards. Bitch, I ball hard, breaking all the backboards. Pretty boy flawed, step up, I will crack yours. And even at the White House, we pull up at the back door. Walk around like I'm 30 feet tall. Tiger Woods, all these hoes trying to bury these dogs in the Porsche 911 like emergency calls. Man, I just be chillin', I'm cool like Lou Rawls. Young money in the building, I'm putting up new walls. Nigga taking Mrs. Officer and set some new laws. My flow is like rubbing 2 logs. Young fool, I really do shit in new draws. I get off my dick, I ain't fucking with you. Watch me shoot to a bank, I'm a money pistol. Weezy beat the beat up like Sonny Liston. Redbone do me good, then a friend or sister. I mean a bitch, she never met her best friend or sister.
I need that shit at the bar, nigga. That shit, nigga, that shit was stupid.
Jim, do gotta go to school tomorrow. Turn that down.
Rockstar lifestyle might not make it. President got him in the White House making. Look at the clock and it's in right now. Get a pound, break it down, blow it like a trowel. Turn to tell a Dutchie, wine in my tall glass. Young money, baby, big shit like a horse ass. Stacks in my backpack, shades on, hat back. Boom, got it back black. Really do that. South Beach, Miami, I'm probably with Timmy too. My life is a video when the women want their cameo. I just want them pantyhose and I can let your animal. And I got them tools, tell them boys to get mechanical. Now pop that pussy like a faux-so. I turn you around and bend you over like a low blow. It's Young Money, baby. We the fucking greatest. We done put them other niggas on a hiatus. Beat your bitch with the pump if she denied data. Cause I'll serve anyone like a blind waiter. I make my girl come first and I arrive later. I shake you pussies up, I'm a vibrator. Getting money like hell yeah. This shit's so good, it don't even smell bad. And you can tell Dan that I'm a motherfucker. You niggas bet not slip. Ice road truckers, light pole barrel, chopper stupid long. New Orleans nigga, I get super dumb. Loyal to the game been good to me. Still spitting fire, you niggas wood to me. We on nigga, let them hoes know. Young Money.
Bad nigga sitter, and I don't give a fuck, that's why my baby mama bitter. You heard it, nigga? Hey, oh, you was recording that, cuz? That was bullshit.
Pick a boo, bitch. Swag, scare your kids. My airplane higher than your bestest shit. Gorillas in the mist, pro-black, pump they fists. I'm from the planet of the apes, King Kong clip.